Hey there, and welcome to this quick guide on how to add an attention-grabbing announcement bar to your Wix website. Whether you want to promote a sale, share important updates, or simply highlight something fun for your visitors, by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek announcement bar up and running. No coding expertise required. Let's dive in and get your site looking sharp and professional. First, we'll need to visit the website called Elfsight. If you haven't used it before, Elfsight is a fantastic platform that offers ready-made widgets you can easily add to your website. And today we're focusing on their announcement bar widget. Once you're on Elfsight, make your way to the widget search box and type in announcement bar. This lets you pinpoint the exact tool you need among all their options, so you're not getting sidetracked. Once you spot the announcement bar widget, go ahead and select it. You'll notice a variety of templates pop up. These templates are pre-designed bars with different styles and layouts. Take a moment here. This is your chance to pick a design that really matches the feel of your site. Maybe you want something bold for a big sale, or a subtler look for a gentle announcement. Just click Continue with this template once you've found one that grabs your attention. Now comes the fun part, entering your announcement message. This could be anything from summer sale, 20% off, to we've updated our hours. Think about what's most important for your visitors to see immediately. Type your message in carefully. This is the first thing people will notice when they land on your site. You can also customize where your announcement bar appears and how it looks. Take advantage of the position settings to place it at the top or bottom of your site, depending on your preference. Next, adjust the style, colors, fonts, and even animations, so it blends in seamlessly or stands out as much as you want. Small tweaks here can make a huge difference. For example, a bright color might be ideal for a limited offer, while a more muted tone could suit a routine notification. When you're happy with the way everything looks, it's time to add your announcement bar to your website. Click the button that says Add to Website for free. If you're just starting out or aren't sure about long-term needs, the free plan works perfectly for most users. Go ahead and select the free plan. You won't need to enter any payment information at this stage, which is great if you're just giving things a try. Now, Elfsight will generate a little bit of code for you, see? This is what actually powers your announcement bar on your site. All you need to do is look for that code. Don't worry if you haven't copied code before. A simple copy-paste gets the job done. Highlight it and copy it to your clipboard. Head back over to your Wix dashboard. Here, you'll need to add a new element. Look for the option to embed code. This allows you to insert custom widgets just like the one you made. Click on it, paste the code you copied from Elfsight, and that's it. Give yourself a pat on the back. You've just integrated a custom feature without any tech headaches. Before you call it done, click Preview to see your announcement bar in action. Check that it displays correctly, the message is clear, and the style matches your expectations. You can always go back and adjust if needed, so don't worry if it needs a little tweaking. And there you go. You now have a professional, customizable announcement bar on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button and feel free to drop a comment if you have questions or run into any issues. I'm happy to help out, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this one. See you next time.